Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 2 different ways to create a folder on your email via the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now let's go within the inbox, admin at Computer Science Videos, right click on inbox, click on new folder. This will allow us to create a brand new folder, which we will call new folder. Enter. So that's the first way to create a folder, which will allow us to organize and file our emails once we have dealt with the issue. The second way to create a folder would be to go to this tab here where we have organize, new folder. As you can see, that's created within the folder. That's not something which we want, so we would have to then delete that folder. Let's go back to admin, new folder. That has now been created within the inbox for the admin account. Let's now call this new folder 2. Enter. And now we have 3 created folders for us to start filing the emails, organize the inbox in a way where we can then track any emails that we require. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.